In this video I will show you how you can add a timestamp to the YouTube comments. So first of all, let's head over to our YouTube app, and then once we head over to YouTube, we now need to go to the video that we want to go to and add a timestamp. Now for example, I'll just click on this one right here at the top. As you can see, what we can do then is scroll through and go to the timestamp that way I'm wanting to add. So for example, if I'm on this point of the video right here and I'm wanting to add a timestamp, what I can do is head over down to the comments, go to the comment right here, and then what we can do then is select this icon right here. So select this icon, and then as you can see, it has now added a timestamp on 7:50. So go ahead now and post this, and then what this will do is it will simply allow you to scrub back to 7:50. So if we click on this, as you can see, it has now skipped back to our timestamp, and any viewer on YouTube will be able to click on this and see this in the comments. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.